Hello, hello, crafty friends. It's Shalon here, back with another project for Printable Cuttable Creatables. And I am going to be assembling these beautiful foil cardstock pieces into a graduation gift card holder. It is definitely graduation season. So many people that I know have been going off to see either their college students or their high school students go off and graduate. Me here in my house, I have a slightly smaller milestone, but still one that we want to honor and celebrate, and that is one of a 5th grade graduate. And their colors of her school are blue and gold, so that is why I decided to opt for this beautiful beautiful blue and gold foiled cardstock. And this is just Recollections cardstock from Michaels. This is the pack that it came in. If you guys hear anything in the background, that is because I have my little one here crafting with me while I do this quick and easy project for us. So, according to Kristen's awesome instructions, she has these lovely score marks. So I cut this through using my silhouette, and I decided to go with the dashed score lines for this project. And then what we want to do is we want to bend all of these inward and glue them. So I'm going to be putting on some adhesive, and I'm just going to be doing a bead of adhesive here all along for each tab, and then I'm going to fold and then just burnish to make sure that I get a good seal. I was considering using some adhesive tape, but when I'm making any kind of pocket, I do like to use liquid glue because when it dries, I know that there's not going to be any stick for anything that I might want to stick into the pocket later. So I'm just making sure, like I said, just doing a quick little burnish here with my fingers just to make sure that everything is adhered well down. Beautiful. Okay, and then we have the part, this is where the gift card will go, and this is the graduation cap on top. So for this is going to line up here. This is the larger part, the part that has like the part that you wear on your head, and then this will go on top of that. But what we want to do here is we are going to take again some liquid glue and smear it on there. And then we are going to line it up. Just like so. Perfect. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. I just love how that lines up so beautifully and the shine off that cardstock. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to place this on top of here. Okay, so again, just lining it up. That foil. Excellent. Okay. After that, I want to kind of center this, but I want like the little tassel-y piece here. So I'm just going to put a dot of glue here in the center. And actually, I'll do a little bit here too, just a little bit. And I really want to make sure that I line this up here. Perfect. And another little dot of glue. This one's really tiny, so I'm going to use my tweezers to help align it just right. There we go, centering it. And here we are. We have the beautiful golden tassel ready to go. And you can see there's some dimension there, which I always like a little bit of dimension in my products, my projects, I should say, not my products. And then the last bit here is to align the, I don't know what these things are called. Scarves, they're not scarves, I don't know, but they're something that you wear when you graduate. And I need to look that up, I really don't know. I have participated in 2 of my own college graduations and where I wore these, and I don't know what they're called. Here we go. I think I'm gonna use the tweezers for this as well. Just line it up and place it where you'd like it. And that's it. Look at that. I'm just smearing away a little bit of glue. And look at that. It is ready to go. And you can place your gift card holder right there. The next thing that I'm going to do is Kristen also has this card insert file in her shop, and I thought that that would be a perfect addition to use with this project. So the one thing that I am going to do is that even though Kristen has some score lines, it comes in both a solid or a dashed score line. I personally don't like to have those score lines. I don't like the way my Silhouette Cameo does score lines for cards. So this card is, I just want to confirm, I have my computer over here. It is 8.5 inches wide. So that means I'm just going to do my own score line at 4 1/4. And actually, you know what? Let me do it this way. That'll be better. 4 1/4. And so I'm just going to score it there. 4 1/4. And then I have this shiny card base that I cut with the same cardstock to match the gift card. And this is super easy. What you're going to do is she has these beautiful slits for you. And hold on, let me get this out of the way real quick. So I'm going to fold here along my own score lines using my bone folder that came with, I'm just using the one that came with my We Are Memory Keepers, the Works trimmer that I was just using, but you can use whatever you have on hand. And then I'm going to, here in this space, I'm going to tuck in the cards. Here we go, like that in the corner. And then I'm going to do the same thing here in this corner. Just tuck it in. Same thing in this corner. Tuck it in. And then in this corner, do the same thing. Oopsies, just messed up my own project. Go in there and tuck it in. I do not know why my big old fingers are not letting me tuck nicely, but sometimes that is life. Sorry, that's my little one there showing you her project that she's currently working on. And here we go. All right, perfect. And look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Just gorgeous. And then you have a blank insert here if you wanted to, you know, write a hand message. Perfect. And if you happen to have an envelope punch or something that's left over from Christmas cards or the We Are Memory Keepers, the works, then you can make your own envelope if you so choose. So here we are. We have 2 beautiful projects in 12 minutes. That's pretty good. Here you go, gorgeous, just so you guys can see. And I hope you guys give these a shot yourself. Happy crafting, my friends, and congratulations to all of the graduates out there. You did it. Bye, friends.